How do you pronounce this word? Is it car or is it car? Well, both are correct. It really depends upon what accent you want to have. It appears that Americans always pronounce the R when it's at the end of a word. But if you want to have a British/Australian accent like me, then we normally don't pronounce the R when it's at the end of a word. Also, we normally do not pronounce the R sound when the sound after the R is a consonant. We normally only pronounce the R sound when the R sound comes before a vowel. With this word here, car, the R is at the end of a word, so we don't need to pronounce it. Let's have a look at some more common examples. Number 1, fair, fair. Again, the R is at the end of a word, so we don't pronounce it. Number 2, cork, cork. We don't pronounce the R here because the letter after the R is a consonant. Number 3, after, after. We don't pronounce the R here because the R is at the end of a word. Number 4, newspaper, newspaper. Again, the R is at the end of a word, so we don't pronounce it. Number 5, Arnold, Arnold. We don't pronounce the R here because the R is before another consonant. Now let's have a look at some words where we do pronounce the R. Number 1, read, read. We pronounce the R here because the R comes before a vowel sound. Number 2, write, write. Again, the R comes before a vowel sound, so we pronounce the R. Number 3, roll, roll. Same again, the R is before a vowel sound. Number 4, erase, erase. Same again. Number 5, arrive, arrive. Same again, the R is before a vowel sound, so that means we need to pronounce the R. So in Australian and in British English, we normally do not pronounce an R if it's at the end of a word.